Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see arrays in Java. So first of all, we will see what is array. Array is a collection of similar data types. Now we will see properties of array. So dynamically allocated contiguous memory. We can find the length of the string. Then variables in array are ordered and has index and the beginning of the index is with 0. Now, Java array can also be used as a static field, local variable, and method parameter. So operations. So this is the important part. Like array. So the operations we perform on array are array declaration, array creation, then access element of array, change elements, and we will find out the length of array. So basically, this is an array, and these are the indexes which are starting from the 0. Then the length of this array is 9, as we will see 0 1. So all element count of the element is 9, so length of array is 9. Then the first index is 0 and last index is 8, and these are the array indices. So now we will see all these operations on array in coding. So for this, first of all, I create the new Java file as j9 underscore array dot java. Then it generated the public class. Now I create public method static void main. Then we have to see these concepts like array declaration, then array creation. So first we see array declaration. So how to declare an array? So declaring an array is the most easiest part in this array part. So for this, we have to first define the data type of our array. So suppose I want to create array of integers, so I write int. Then we have to write the array name as arr int arr, and here I have to write the square bracket. So it defines the it declares the array. So I have created the array which has data type integer. Now this is the array declaration. Now we see how to create an array. So now we will see creation of an array. So to create an array, first we have to write the name of array as array equal to. Now we have to use new keyword new. Then we have to write the data type of array as int, and then we have to write the number of element want to store in array, as I want to store 5 integers in my integer array. So in this way I have created the array. So here in this way we have created the array. Okay, now the next part is access the elements of an array. To access the element of an array, first we have to store the elements in the array. So first we will see how to store elements in an array. Store elements. So for this we write arr. Now we have to mention the index at which I want to insert the element. I want to insert element at 0 index. So on 0 index I want to store 1. So here in array arr at 0 index 1 is stored. Now I will print it as sout arr 0, and as I run it, we can easily see that we can easily see that here we can easily see the output is 1. So in this way, I have stored the element in an array and print it. And similarly, we can access this as actually here we have accessed the element of an array. We have accessed the element in an array. Now we will see how to store elements in an array using loops. So for this, I create the for loop for integer I equal to 0, I is less than 5, and I plus plus. This is simple, very simple. So first of all, I insert elements in array. So arr of I equal to I plus 1. I make it as comment. So here I have inserted the elements using loop. Now I access them. Now to access the elements of an array, I will write as out. I will write as out stem.out.arr of I. It is in this way I can access all the elements of an array which I stored here. So now I run the code and it automatically store the element in array and returning the all the elements. Now next part is change element in an array. As we previously seen that at the 0 index we have stored the 0. So now I will store at 0 index I am storing 100. So arr of 0 equal to 100. Now this is the very simple way to change the element of an array. Now I am storing arr of 1. Now at index 1 I am storing 200. Okay, so at 0 I have stored 100 and at 1 index I have stored 200 and other numbers are at their original position. So now I again print this same array and I have write here a statement like array array with a new elements, and we have this old element. So now I run this and we will see the array with new element and old elements. So here the new old elements are this and the new elements are this. So we have changed 100 and 200. Now we see the how to find out the length of an array. So for this we use the length keyword. So first we will see how to use the length keyword. So for this I have to first create the integer array length, as we have to understand that the length is in the integer. So I have created the integer array length, and in this integer I am receiving the value as length of an array. So for finding the array length we have the uh, length keyword. So I have to write array name arr, this is array name dot length keyword. So this is length keyword, and in this way we get the length of array. Now I print the length of array, length of array, and I write here array length, and simply I run this code. We can see here the length of array is 5. I create here space. Now it will look good. Now we can see the length of array is 5 here. So in this way we have completed the arrays in Java. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and follow my full Java course for other topic.